Welcome to Dr. Aidan's Guide to English Language. In the next few minutes, using examples from key texts, I will show you how to easily identify and analyse personification. Personification is the attribution of human form, human nature or human characteristics to something that is non-human. This example is from Shakespeare's Hamlet. But look, the morn, in russet mantle clad, walks o'er the dew of yon high eastward hill. Here the dawn is personified wearing a reddish-coloured loose cloak, a russet mantle, and walking across the dew-soaked hilltops. It gives us a sense of the way dawn does spread out like a reddish cloak across the sky and the land, whilst also making us feel that dawn is an intentional act. It connects the natural world to the human world in a more intimate way. The next example is where Juliet has asked Romeo who it was that had told him how to find her. He replies that he was told by love, that first did prompt me to inquire. He lent me counsel, and I lent him eyes. Here love is personified as a wise counsellor who has directed Romeo to Juliet. But how could love do this? Because Cupid, the Roman god of love, is portrayed as either blind or blindfolded. Here, love is no longer blind because Romeo has lent him his own eyes. So this personification of love reinforces the idea that when love is able to see through Romeo's eyes, it chooses Juliet. It is an endorsement of their love by the gods. Lastly, here is an example of personification from a Wordsworth poem. When all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here, Wordsworth uses personification to give daffodils a group identity. He begins by making them first a crowd and then a host. A host is a very large number gathered together. He then suggests they are dancing, an idea which suggests they're having fun and are filled with joy. And because we can dance, we can understand the intense pleasure the sight of these dancing daffodils evokes in Wordsworth, and we can begin to make a deeper connection with nature. So I hope that this video will help you to identify and interpret personification in the plays, books and poems that you are reading or studying, and thank you for listening to Dr. Aidan's Guide to English Language. Give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe now so that you don't miss any of my future posts.